Saily eSIM coupon codes and promo codes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Saily eSIM and how you can save money by applying promo codes. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, you can find these promo codes in the description below, so make sure you check out the description below. You'll also find a link where you can go ahead and visit the website. You'll also find some discount codes and other promo codes as well that you can apply to save money on your eSIM plan. So let's get into it. So this is how it works. So there are a couple of ways, right? So if you scroll down below, you'll find these destinations and you can go ahead and switch between the ultra plan, region, and country. Go with whichever one you want. Ultra plan is basically an unlimited plan for all of the countries that are supported by Saily. So you can see 113 countries are in this ultra plan. So you can just simply click on it, open it up, and here you can see you've got the ultra plan right here. Starts at $60 a month, and it'll give you 30 gigabytes of speed data monthly. It's a whole year around plan. It's unlimited data up to 1 megabyte, so it's quite good. You also get some airport lounge access, fast track services, premium online security tools, other options as well. So if you wanted to get this one, you can get it by just simply clicking on it and then just simply clicking on the ultra plan. There's also device compatibility, so make sure you check that out as well and see whether or not your device is compatible with this plan. Then you just simply gotta go ahead and select one of the tools over here. You can even go ahead and sign in with Google or Apple, whichever one you want, and then you can just simply go ahead and pay it. You'll have a promo code, then you can go ahead and apply that as well, which you can find in the description below. Right, you can see right here, if you have it credit right here, you can just apply it. So make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll get those credits that you can apply over here. So pretty cool. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you can get a discounted data plan on Saily. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.